Hello everyone, let's visualize WBCs in improved Neubauer chamber under low power. Now, charged improved Neubauer chamber that is placed in low power and WBCs are counted in WBC counting squares. These are WBC counting squares. Now, this is a microscopic view of WBCs in low power. You can see here how WBCs they look like in low power. WBCs are regular nucleated rounded bodies and they have clear refractory halo around them. WBCs can be separated from the dust particles because dust particles they are of different sizes and shapes and they are non-refractile bodies. You can see here these are your WBCs in low power. They look like. This is your microscopic view. Thank you so much.